Today I'll be reviewing my Craftsman 3-ton jack. This is a really good jack. As you can see, I have an SUV, and this thing works great for getting it up off the ground and giving me ample room to work on it, change the tires. I've done ball joints, brakes, you name it. This lift gets the vehicle up high enough where I can work on it. This jack is pneumatic. Great thing about it is it comes with this little lever that's detachable, which makes it a little bit more portable. All you have to do is tighten it up, put the handle on, throw it under the vehicle to a suitable jacking point, and it only takes a couple pumps before I'm up where I need to be, and then it's really easy. I mean, of course I got to use a little bit of force, but it's really easy to get the vehicle up. Then all you do to lower it down is you slowly release this valve. And it comes back down. The only downside I can see about this jack is that it is pretty heavy. I don't have a garage, so I have to take it in and out of my basement. Although it's not you can't really complain because it's a 3-ton jack. Any jack you work with is going to be heavy. That's just the nature of the beast. But overall, I would really recommend this. It's the Craftsman 3-ton jack. Thanks.